the guinea pigs? I think it's a squirrel.
Welcome, giant fancies. Please feel free to bask in my glow.
Definitely a squirrel. Yep, squirrel.
We thank you with enormous gratitude for chasing away the Fusa.
The Husa?
The Fusa. They're always annoying us by trespassing, interrupting our parties, and ripping our limbs off.
Yeah, sounds good. Look, we're just trying to find out where the people are. So if you
my.
can,
What big teeth you have.
Shame on you, Maurice. You do not see that you've insulted the freaks? You must tell me, who the heck are you?
I'm Alex, the Alex, and this is Gloria, Marty, and Melman.
And just where are you giants from?
We're from New York, and we...
All hail the New York Giants!
what are you doing, some sort of inbreeding program? Well, I say we just gotta ask these bozos where the people are.
That's good, man. We bozos have the people, of course.
Hey, the bozos have the people.
Oh, wow, great, good. You.
Doctor. Don't you love the people? Not a very lively bunch, though.
Oh, wow. So do you have any live people?
No. Only dead ones.
I mean, if we had a lot of live people here, it wouldn't be called the Wild, would it?
The Wild? Whoa, hold up there a second, Fuzz Bucket. You mean like to live in a mud hut, wipe yourself with a leaf type wild?
Who wait?
Wait, Vay.
Oi, Vay!
Well, hey, everybody.
Could you excuse me for a moment?
Cutie pie.
Get me out of here! We gotta get out of here!
Hey, cutie pie.
Coming back to New York!
Hi.
My chances are slim, but I have
Say
to
hi.
try.
You can't swim!
I think my chances are slim.
It's all over me. Get it off. I can't see. I can't see.
This is Little Mama's favorite movie, Madagascar. Hi.
People didn't dump us here on purpose. As soon as they realize what happened, they'll come looking for us, right?
Yeah, right.
You know something? I bet they're already on their way.
Well, boys, it's gonna be ice cold sushi for breakfast. Pika.